Acquittal, noun. Countable, uncountable. An official decision in court that a person is not guilty of a crime. Examples. The case resulted in an acquittal. The jury voted for acquittal. Opposite. Conviction. Collocations. Criminal justice. Breaking the law. Break, violate, obey, uphold the law. Be investigated, arrested, tried for a crime, a robbery, fraud. Be arrested, especially North American English, indicted, convicted on charges of rape, fraud, especially US English, felony charges. Be arrested on suspicion of arson, robbery, shoplifting. Be accused of, be charged with murder, especially North American English, homicide, 4 counts of fraud. Face 2 charges of indecent assault. Admit your guilt, liability, responsibility, for something. Deny the allegations, claims, charges. Confess to a crime. Grant, be refused, be released on, skip, jump bail. The legal process. Stand, await, bring somebody to, come to, be on trial. Take somebody to, come to, settle something out of court. Face, avoid, escape prosecution. Seek, retain, have the right to, be denied access to legal counsel. Hold, conduct, attend, adjourn a hearing, trial. Sit on, influence, persuade, convince the jury. Sit, stand, appear, be put, place somebody in the dock. Plead guilty, not guilty to a crime. Be called to, enter, British English, the witness box. Take, put somebody on the stand, North American English, the witness stand. Call, subpoena, question, cross-examine a witness. Give, hear the evidence against, on behalf of somebody. Raise, withdraw, overrule an objection. Reach a unanimous, majority verdict. Return, deliver, record a verdict of not guilty, unlawful killing, accidental death. Convict, acquit the defendant of the crime. Secure a conviction, your acquittal. Lodge, file an appeal. Appeal, against, challenge, uphold, overturn a conviction, verdict. Sentencing and punishment. Pass sentence on somebody. Carry, face, serve a 7-year, life sentence. Receive, be given the death penalty. Be sentenced to 10 years, in prison, jail. Carry, impose, pay a fine, of $3,000, a penalty, of 14 years imprisonment. Be imprisoned, jailed for drug possession, fraud, murder. Do, serve time, 10 years. Be sent to, put somebody in, be released from jail, prison. Be, put somebody, spend X years on death row. Be granted, be denied, break, your, parole. Extra examples. The judge upheld their acquittal. The jury returned an acquittal after only 22 minutes. The trial judge had directed an acquittal. The trial resulted in an acquittal.